Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna help you to fix Amex app not working. Now, to fix this problem, firstly, you need to make sure that you are using updated version of it. Now to check this, head over to the Play Store and there search for Amex app. Now if you can see open button here on your screen, that means you are using latest version of it. Now if you can see update button instead of open button, tap on it and update your app. Now this solution didn't work for you, then we are going to move to our second solution. Now for the second solution, we need to clear data of this app. Now to do so, head over to the settings panel on your device. Now once you're in settings panel, scroll down a bit and search for app section. Once you found it, tap on it and there again tap on manage apps. After that, search for Amex app. After you get into the app, tap on clear data. Once again tap on clear data option. After that, try to open the app. Now, if this solution also didn't work, then you need to completely remove this app from your device and reinstall it. Now, to remove this app from your device, tap on uninstall, tap on OK, and then your app will be removed from your device. Now, to reinstall that app, tap on Play Store and then again search for Amex app. Now tap on install button to install the app. Now once your app get installed back to your device, hopefully this will solve your problem. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.